If you want to use MailChimp for email marketing, this video will walk you through the entire process, from signing in to importing your contacts, building your email campaign, and sending it out to your audience. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a professional-looking email campaign in MailChimp, even if you're just getting started. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more clear software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the website loads, sign into your MailChimp account using your login details. After you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where all of your email marketing tools are located. Now look at the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This is the section where MailChimp stores and manages all of your contacts. If you already have a list of subscribers, this is where you'll bring them in so you can start sending campaigns to the right people. To import your contacts, click Add Contacts, then choose Import Contacts. MailChimp will give you options for uploading your contact list, so select the method that matches your file type. Once the file is uploaded, take a moment to verify that all email addresses imported correctly. This step is important because you want to make sure your campaign goes to the correct audience without missing anyone. After your contacts are imported, go back to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. This is where you create, manage, and track your email marketing campaigns. If you're running newsletters, promotions, announcements, or welcome emails, this is the section you'll use most often. Next, click Create to start a new campaign. When MailChimp asks for the campaign type, choose Email. This tells MailChimp that you want to build a standard email campaign rather than another type of marketing message. Then select Regular as your email campaign type. Regular emails are the most common option for newsletters and one-time announcements. After that, enter a name for your campaign. This name is just for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to remember. Once that's done, click Begin. Now it's time to choose your email design. MailChimp will show you a range of templates, and the good place to start is with Basic Layout. From there, you can select a style such as Minimal if you want a clean and simple look. The template you choose should match the tone and purpose of your message, whether that's professional, promotional, or more casual. Once your design is selected, you can customize your email. This is where your campaign starts to take shape. Begin by changing the headline so it clearly tells readers what the email is about. Then update the body text with your message, keeping it concise, readable, and action-focused. If you have a logo, add it to help with branding and recognition. You can also replace images with visuals that better match your offer or announcement. After that, customize the colors and overall branding so the email feels consistent with your business or personal brand. As you edit, always make sure your content matches the purpose of your campaign. If you're promoting a product, the message should be persuasive. If you're sending a newsletter, it should be informative and easy to scan. Good email marketing is all about clarity, consistency, and making it easy for your audience to take action. When you're happy with everything, click Save and Exit. This saves your progress and takes you back so you can review the campaign before sending it out. Now comes one of the most important steps, reviewing your campaign. Before you send anything, carefully check the subject line, the recipient audience, the email content, the images, the links, and the overall design. This is your final chance to catch mistakes, fix broken links, or improve the wording. A quick review can save you from sending an email with errors to your entire contact list. Once everything looks correct, you're ready to send your email. Click Send, and MailChimp will deliver the campaign to the audience you selected. After that, your email marketing campaign is live, and you can start tracking how your audience responds. And that's how to use MailChimp for email marketing. You've now learned how to sign in, import contacts, create a regular email campaign, customize the design, review everything, and send your message with confidence. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.